It's a bit dark down here.
Okay, so everybody, today cook some toast with omelette. And this is how I cook it, everybody. It's just a bit very wrong, but actually I'm thinking about it today, so that's why today I'm cooking it. Hopefully it's work. Oh my god, it's turning red a little bit. So it's time to go now. Cheers. Okay, everybody, here we go. The omelette and toast with some homemade coffee is now finished. And it's time to eat, everybody. Looks good, by the way. Yeah. Oh, here we go. The omelette toast and some homemade coffee.
It's a bit dark down here. Don't have a short knife and a fork, so this way you just spoon instead. It's like very Asian people eating European omelette. Big one.